Iya, Erigo. Ini yang lagi baru-baru booming ya.
Gara-gara yang dia hire juga influencer yang besar, mahal. Bayangkan itu, bayangkan dia bayar satu orang saja untuk traveling ke New York berapa hari di sana. Ini baru kerjanya cuma jalan-jalan Ji. Jalan-jalan Ji.
Harus Muhammad itu kok.
Apa kayak apa nih bikin konten Ji?
Iya, bikin konten. Padahal sebelumnya brandnya Erigo itu tidak mendunia.
Nah, setelah itu Kak, baru saya lihat celana-celananya suamiku. Ternyata suamiku punya Erigo ya. Baru kayak enggak sadar gitu.
Nah, sebenarnya
terus murah-murah juga ya Kak di Shopee.
tidak begitu. Itu Dona Maya yang bawa,
Iya, Rachel-nya,
Investoria. Pokoknya itu semua.
Iya, siapa lagi?
Denny Sumargo. Pokoknya dia bawa memang influencer yang
itu sih deh.
Indonesia.
Meledak Erigo say.
Banyak lesson.
CEO-nya saat itu Kak Bes. Enggak. Ini yang paling pertama Indomie ya. Indomie selera.
Nanti saya tanya ke satu-satu.
Produk yang mendunia.
Apa? Bagaimana based on your knowledge begitu? Berdasarkan pengetahuanmu.
Ya, boleh. Jeko juga dari Indonesia kan?
Iya.
Jakarta dong, negara ini.
Oke, kita masuk. Love the local brand, love the local product, smart listener. And now, how much the stuff that you wear or that you have right now, it coming from the local brand itself. So you can count how much the stuff you have right now from the local that made in Indonesia, yeah. And yeah, guys, the local brand or the local product is not always cheap, and it's not only it's not always expensive, yeah. But the first thing that we have to know, the local brand or the local product has its own quality, yeah. It has competitive quality too with the import product. So based on your knowledge, based on you on your experience, maybe what are the local brand that the first time you think it comes from another country, or maybe the local brand now going international. So who want to share the first? Adele, baby.
Okay, Adele, you want?
Yeah, I'm so curious about some local product. Then I didn't know before this is local product. I think this is from import product, but wow, this is from local.
Yes.
I'm so surprised. So this is Ager.
Oh,
This is a company with like sandals mat and shoes mat. Yeah, I think because
outdoor gear also.
If I say the quality is really good and from the stuff is really good, so that's why I think this is from import product. But after I'm searching from what? Wow, I'm so surprised this is from Indonesia.
Oh yes, because the quality is very good,
this
and
is good quality.
you think it comes from another country, yeah, the international product.
Yeah,
Okay.
so detailed from stuff.
Okay, well, Achang?
Yeah, so actually I'm really speechless when I was maybe 70. I think I always how to say eat the chocolate is named Silver Queen. Yeah, when I grow up, I am speechless. The Silver Queen from the Garut, I'm really not believe because this name I think is English. That it's why we believe this is from another country like Silver Queen, right? Yeah, I'm really proud from this chocolate because really famous in the world. I think that's all.
Okay, so the chocolate that you love the most, coming from Indonesia,
Yeah.
made in Indonesia. Okay, Mr. Isan maybe.
Tolak angin. Tolak angin. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
It is established in 1951, if I'm not mistaken, and then it now it's going to international. I mean, it has been going to international. Right? We can easier to find it in many countries out there, just because their natural spices, and then they never change. They reside from the start due to
It
make our
contains the natural ingredients from
yes,
Indonesia, yeah.
It makes our body warm. So it's all foreign people so lie because they have cold weather. So tolak angin. So I mean, like how to say? So people buy tolak angin.
Okay, so another.
I will mention some of brands I know, and I have that brands also. One is the first is Terry Palmer.
Oh yes.
That is a specialist for sweets for the worker, yeah. And the second is Charles and Kate. Yeah, Charles and Kate actually is from Indonesia, and and Jordan also. And I've been in Singapore for many times. I'm so proud because I can find Charles and Kate and Giordano in so many outlets, especially in Orchard. Orchard Street. Orchard Street is the how to say like a high price is actually for the brand. That is all of the brand in the world that compete and collaborate in that area. So it's like a very famous and expensive place to buy, and I'm proud because I can see many outlets like Charles and Kate and Giordano in Singapore, in Malaysia too. And another brand I got also that is for shoes. That I really love too, and it's I think every girl knows this Ghost.
Yeah.
Ghost also has the that brand in Singapore and also very famous in Aussie, in Australia. I mean, yeah.
Gosh is the local brand.
Local brand.
Okay.
And the price, especially Charles and Kate, I mean it's worth it because.
Affordable.
Yeah, affordable. The price and the quality. That's why it's a little bit expensive. And for the gauche itself, it's for medium because the price is under up the price is up 5,100, but not close to 1 million. And Charles and Kate is up about 1 million and more. And that's why I'm proud because you can see that Indonesia has a lot of local brand also but has international quality.
Like Edward Porter,
Yes.
the executive.
The executive.
That's all the Indonesian brand, local brand that has an international quality, and I guess that's come from another country, not Indonesian brand. Like you mentioned before, Charles and Kate, Ghosh, and etc.
Yeah, and for the makeup, especially to the woman who loves makeup, even if I'm not so in makeup. You can search also that is Sociola. Sociola is a specialty for the brand for makeup, but it contains by herbs or natural contents there. So it's less chemical.
Okay, another brand maybe, guys, that you know, and you just know right now that was Indonesian brand.
What Mom David said that from Charles and Kate and Ghost. Wow. I went Charles and Kate. I'm so proud because this is from international.
Yeah,
But after
and the packaging is so
Yeah.
luxurious.
Yeah, so
and the mall.
luxurious.
Yeah,
Yeah, this is same from Gucci. So,
Yeah.
so I mean, wow.
Giordano?
yeah, Giordano too.
Oh.
Yeah, so far, wow. This is first time I know about Charles and Kate and girls.
How
And
proud we are,
yeah. Indomie too. This is
Oh, yes.
for another country.
It's
No, this.
Not the bad.
no the best, no the best, no
Okay.
ketchup.
Every people in this world love Indomie.
Yeah.
Selera.
Okay, well, guys, talking about the local brand, the big brand that we finally know it is come from Indonesia, make us proud as Indonesian, right? And it is make us more love being Indonesian people, right? Like, yes, our nationality is increase, I don't know, maybe 100% tonight, because we know, yes, there's a lot of brand that comes from Indonesia, and it has the international quality.
Yeah.
Yes, so what about you, smart listener? Do you feel like us too? So you can share your story, and we'll be back after the break. Baru gak tahu Charles and Kate loh.
Iya.
Yeah.
Dan saya juga, kalau saya memang sudah lama bisa tahu itu. Pokoknya waktu saya main ke Singapura itu saya kaget, saya lihat ini brand kenapa bisa ada di Indonesia.